you're not familiar with Gears and Gasoline, they're just a massive automotive YouTube channel with 1.28 million subscribers. But in this new series, they are road tripping all across the country to drive and rate some of the best drivers' roads in the US. So I'm watching through this, and right off the bat in episode 1, they make their way to the Tail of the Dragon, which isn't a surprise because it's one of the most popular roads in the world. But there was something in this episode that definitely did surprise me. That right there looks an awful lot like my 2020 Subaru BRZ that I rent out on Turo. But while I was pretty sure that that was my car, I wasn't completely sure. Later in the episode, they mentioned that they were at the Dragon on the last day of Toge Fest, which took place on Sunday, November 3rd. So I went through my trip history, and I did indeed have a guest renting the vehicle out then. But to confirm it even further, I went to the Killboy photos. This is Sunday, November 3rd, around 10:40 a.m., and that's definitely my car. And this is Sunday, November 3rd, around 9:40 a.m., which isn't the exact same time, but close enough to imagine that they were there at the same time. And this is the S2K and the Type R that they were driving in the road trip series. While that's a pretty trivial claim to fame, it was pretty exciting to see my car show up in one of their videos, even if it was just for a split second. And it's also been kind of special to see my vision for this business come to life, where I'm getting to share this vehicle with others and allowing them to potentially enjoy the iconic roads in this area, as well as the events that are happening to maybe a higher degree than they would have been able to otherwise.